What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage back in this thing with Mon Dukes over there. What's good?
Y'all, how y'all doing now?
She moving real slow, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna guide her through.
That's right.
I'm a bodyguard.
That's right.
I'm on the phone with your boy, the Retro Whiz Kid. I can't hear him, but we chopping it up, talking about a couple of things, and we about to go in this Nike outlet. I was here a while ago with what was his name? Layers of Kicks, and this Nike outlet right here. So I'm gonna show you what they got in here. Y'all stay tuned. Right now we don't see nothing. I see a pair of Kobe's right here. Check them out. You like them? I don't like them, honestly. Y'all see them right there.
Kind of plain, but they
pretty plain.
Yeah.
I just want a pair of Kobe's. I just want one pair at least. Nice. You like them? Hold on, got weird. We got different style and shoes. I gotta put her on the retros and stuff. This music is loud, so if it's too loud, I'm gonna get y'all some B-roll. 64 bucks from Kyrie's. Which ones?
This is where it's at.
You see her with the cane, y'all? Shout out to Mon Dukes.
This is where it's at.
She like these, y'all boys.
Oh yeah, boy.
You like these?
All right, now those is hot.
Mama got a weird little taste. She old school though.
Real old school.
What era would you say made you? Like the 80s era or the 90s era?
The 80s.
Like sneakers and style in general.
Kind of 80s, 90s.
80s, 90s?
Yeah.
So what shoes was popping back when y'all was popping? What sneakers? I know you said the kangaroos.
Kangaroos. The regular K-Swiss. We have the what was the plain Reeboks called back then? Plain
Reeboks? K-Swiss?
No,
not K-Swiss.
They was just regular plain Reeboks, like how y'all buy
the classics.
Classics.
The classics,
yeah,
had them.
Classics, yeah.
So you like something like this? Look at these right here. Like these high, these like Air Force Ones. You know what Air Force Ones are there, right?
No.
Remember the Air Force Ones, the regular Air Force Ones?
It's not the hot top.
You don't like these?
I would do it, but not the hot top.
So you think they doing, this is why it's a good sale, look at that. 180 retail, 64. So a lot of people probably feeling how you feeling.
Right.
Like that ain't the way to go.
No.
Is it a colorway or is it the shoe?
It's the shoe.
It's the shoe? This one too is too crazy, huh? Colorway and the shoe look kind of crazy.
Yeah, like bring it down and cut it off.
This regular, mids,
that'll be
or lows.
Shoe. They did too much with that hot top.
What about the purples though?
We is not trying to be Prince, not Purple Rain, or nobody. So we is not gonna do no dove crying or nothing. We're gonna leave that right there.
We're gonna leave it there?
Yeah.
They got full size running all them things right there. Check them out. So what about these? I know you don't like these at all. No, I don't like them either. But I got a lot of Jordans. I want to show you some Jordans, get your opinion on them. Let's look at these. This is a pair right here. Yeah. So I want to get my mom's opinion on some of these Jordans and some of the colorways that's dropping, and get her opinion. It's a new era. She's like from the 80s and 90s, like the culture and the wave type thing. So I'm gonna get her opinion on some of these kicks, and we're gonna see what she's feeling.
We're gonna see where it's at. Y'all don't know about half these shoes in here. Alright,
first one. This is a pair of Jordans. How you feel about these?
Those right there.
These
look like some
they trash, huh?
Waxed up rubber ducky. Let's take a swim type thing. Those is real ugly. We're gonna keep these right where they at. Yeah.
How they do with the cane though?
Yeah, right where they at.
Okay, what about these? These are like a Jordan 11. They like these right here, but it's like a different model of the shoe.
That kind of looks like they took a cloth and
that material look crazy, huh?
The material is really nasty.
Yeah.
That's just not it.
No?
Nah. Then look how,
Nah, you don't like the little swivel?
Nah. We're gonna let that dangle down.
On sale for $109 though.
No, that should be 99 cents.
Yeah, but like some of these shoes I noticed though, like on these walls and stuff, you can tell like they on sale for a reason.
Cause this shoe and that shoe, I'll take that shoe over these.
And it's less expensive, huh? That's like, this is your style here. This is 80s. This is 80s, 90s. If I'm not mistaken, those are old school for 50 bucks.
Hey, you remember we even had back in the day Shaq's Pump Up. You got
the pumps. I think that was Sean Kemp.
Oh yeah.
Was it Shaq? I don't know. Let me know. Was it Sean Kemp or Shaq?
That was Shaq.
It might be Shaq. Y'all let us know in the conversation below. It's either Shaq or Sean Kemp, I know.
And boy, people used to think that they can pump them bad boys up and with somebody.
Trying to jump.
No jumping.
Alright, okay, the last Jordan I want to show you is a running shoe. It's like a trainer, and it is these right here. So it's like an Air Jordan 3 upper, but it's like a running bottom.
I would do.
You would do this one?
That one I would do.
I mean,
this
like
this one here, it is nice. You can hook that up with a nice outfit. It's not too much going on. It's not a bad quality shoe at all. It ain't thrown together.
So
it's nice.
So me, out of like those Jordans I showed you, I'd probably get, if I had to, I'd get these out of any of them.
Yes, and I say you didn't hit the jackpot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up? It's a good. Got a couple of some food for thought.
There you
From
have
from the old school.
From old
comrades.
school, that 42, almost 43 type blood there. You understand?
Yeah. But I'm gonna show y'all some kicks on the sale wall, on the back wall, and yeah. So shout out to Mon Dukes for blessing us on this video.
That's right, y'all. Y'all gotta holler at me. Yeah, them
What about these right here?
This is nice too, though.
You like them?
Yeah. It's kind of sexy.
Those are different.
Yeah, they are.
They're different.
And you can, yeah. Oh, sorry.
My bad.
Yep, excuses.
Okay, let me get another one real quick for you.
You guys still find everything okay?
Yeah, we are.
Thank you.
Let me show you another one. Hold on. What about these? What are those? Those are the same kind of running shoes, the ones you said you would do, but it's like different colorway.
Yeah, not those though.
Nah, color too crazy.
Yeah, it's really even not the colors. It ain't one of the shoes that are pop really.
I'm trying to show you something. They ain't got nothing really. Like last time I came here, they ain't had nothing either. Whoa, this thing is long. It's just long though.
Yeah, they long. That's different though. I like that. Dang, that's somebody's foot that look like they even walked there.
To the moon and back.
Land of living.
I'm dead.
There's something about that $59.99 shoe.
This one?
Yeah.
It's a KD. It's a basketball shoe.
Yeah, that's nice. Even that black one is well.
Alright, YouTube, back at the crib, man. Y'all watched the vlog when I was at the Nike outlet. Hope y'all enjoyed. Had my mom answer a couple questions about sneakers in general and the whole culture, I guess you could say. So make sure you like this video. See the video up to 100 likes. Subscribe to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys to never miss another live stream, post notification, anything that drops from the channel. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. I think I already said that. Yeah. Appreciate all the support, man. I'll catch you guys next video, man. Peace.